First, let us connect together. So, the getting and working the Premier Institute of Osmania Medical College, which is one of the biggest medical college and hospital in Southeast Asia. So, working with the faculty, and now you are entering into the doctor's family, from medico to the doctor. So tomorrow you are going to lead for the next generations to provide health. So I should say thanks to our superintendent sir and principal sir. The superintendent sir, almost since last 10 days, we need to conduct this orientation class. Bhumesh, it is your responsibility to see that house surgeons should connect with the Osmania General Hospital and Medical College. So this is this orientation program. Before starting, a hearty congratulations to all of you. But now you are becoming junior doctors or interns, what you can say. This welcome to this the family of the doctors. Yes, so my responsibility, which was given by our beloved superintendent, Dr. Rakesh Sai, the personality development and ethical conduct during internship. How this will help? So this is the Premier Institute, you should say, we should proud all of us. Now I am coming in all those 3, 2, 1, I am putting in a different way. The road to the specialty doctors. Now, there is the road, you have medicos, you have finished 4.5 to 5 years of your medicoship. Now, you are entering into the internship. That is the Chaurasta. From where you can lead to the specialty doctor as per your interest, not as per your convenience. Because whatever the specialty you choose, that should be very close to your heart. No specialty is inferior, no specialty is superior. How you dedicated work to that specialty, that will give the respect to yourself, to your family, as well as community. Always, once you get the specialty, again the success. There is no shortcut for the success. Always it is a straight cut. So what you need for this, remember our beautiful tricolor flag of India. Who has invented this tricolor flag? Pingali Venkaya. Let us use these three colors, imbibe these 3 colors within us. Then you will become recognized just like Pingali Venkaya. What is the first one? We'll see. Practice learning attitude. I'll say what I have only 5 slides. But within 5 slides, I'll try to give a message. Definitely you are going to connect with the senior doctors, you are going to connect with the doctor's family and the Osmanians. Personality development and ethical values. So if these 3, if you practice, the success will become a garland in your neck. What is this? The practice learning attitude. If you say the capacity of the brain, the common people, they utilize 5% of their brain. The extraordinary people, the scientists of the great scientists, they utilize their brain maximum of 15%. So 85% of brain, which is waiting for the success of ourselves, success of yourself, success of your family, and the success of the nation. So you cannot say I am inferior. Everybody will have a scope to success. But that the brain which is covered with the ignorance of the layer. You remove the ignorance of the layer by practice learning attitude. If you practice learning attitude, everything will follow you. Name will follow you, fame will follow you, the health will follow you, wealth will follow you, everything will follow you. Knowledge will double every 14 months. That is not my word, it is a scientifically proved. If you spend every day 5 hours, by the end of 14 months, it will become double. If you spend 10 hours in a day, by the end of 14 months, it will become double. So, choose. The time management is very, very important. How you utilize your time, it's a matter. Once you are posted in one specialty, you be there. Maintain the timing, maintain the punctuality, and maintain the discipline. Don't think of other specialty. When you are posted here, think of that specialty. Automatically you will get. For that, what you have to do? The SWOT analysis. You have to remember, you have to identify what are the strengths, what are the weaknesses. These are the internal hidden one. And the external one, what are the opportunities, what are the threats. This is the SWOT analysis. Always strengthen your strengths and weaken your weaknesses. And opportunities. Opportunities, if you have 3 types of people will be there. Lazy people, clever people, intellectual people. Lazy people, they won't utilize opportunities. That's why they will become lazy and lazy. And the clever people, whenever they will get opportunities, they will utilize the opportunities. So they will move on. But intellectual people, they create the opportunities. Wherever you posted, you connect with 3 P's. Connect with the patients, connect with your professors, and connect with yourself. Automatically you will get this opportunity to get. And threats, when you grow, the threats will stop. So you identify the threats, you overcome it. No gain, no pain. No pain, no gain. If you accept pain, you will get gain. What is pain? Positive attitude in negative situation. That is pain. Positive attitude in negative situation. Always be positive. There is no place for negativism in our life. Always be positive. If the teachers, if your professors, they are strict, that means you are growing. That means we are growing. If professors are not strict, we are not going to learn anything. So that's why the profession, the teaching profession is the only profession which will teach us all other professions. Whereas the medical teaching, we are the medical doctors. We will treat, we will teach, as well as will administrate. So that's why the medical doctors, we are here to generate the factory of doctors for the next generation, for the future health through you. So the future is yours. We have taught something from our seniors. The same message we are conveying to you. Same thing you have to convey. So these are how to do the strengths. You remember, you identify what are your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. See that, use this SWOT analysis. Always it will be useful for you and family and for the institution as well as a nation. The second thing, the personality development. This is very, very important. Human beings, we are growing in all the fields. Unfortunately, in our own personality, we are not growing and not focusing, not identifying what is the personality. We remember the 4, just like we are in Hyderabad, the remember Char Minars. the physical dimension, the mental dimension, emotional dimension, and social dimension. So how this will help? The physical dimension is physical health. So maintain your physical health with a regular physical activity and balanced diet. That will produce the doctor diet. You are what you eat. At the same time, the mental dimension. If you implant good seeds, you will see the good plant and good fruits. So good thoughts will become good words will become good work. That is harmony. Physical strength ku, physical health ku రెగ్యులర్ గా ఫిజికల్ యాక్టివిటీ చేయాలి, మంచి ఆహారం తీసుకోవాలి. అదే రకంగా మెంటల్ హెల్త్ కు మంచి ఆలోచనలు, మంచి మాటల నుంచి మంచి చేస్తారు. ఆల్వేస్ బీ పాజిటివ్. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ the doctor quiet. So always mentally you should be quiet. And the third one, the emotional. Always be happy. That is called the Dr. Merriman. Unless until we are happy, we cannot deliver our services to the patient. Patient will identify how comfortable we are, how confident we are. So we need first be happy. Unless until we are happy, we cannot do anything for others. And the third one, the social dimension. The human beings, we are the social beings. Ontari jeevitam ati durbaramaina jeevitam. So that's why we are human beings. When we are human beings, respect ourselves. You are not a competitor for yourself. You are not a competitor for yourself. You are a competitor for yourself from today to tomorrow, from tomorrow to day after tomorrow. We are not at all a competition for anybody. We are the competitor for ourselves. Our success, our failure directly related to our positive attitude. So that's why the hospitals are the temples and the patient is God. All please respect your profession, respect your professor, and respect your patient. Patients are helping to us. We are not helping patients. Patients are helping to us to grow. Patients are helping to us to learn. So remember 3 P's: patient, profession, and ourselves, our professor. Yes. So that's why health and doctor is not optional, both are essential for the community. ఆరోగ్యం అన్ని కాకపోవచ్చు, కానీ ఆరోగ్యం లేని నాడు ఎన్ని ఉన్నా అన్ని సున్నా. So that's why we see that there are 3 enemies for the mankind: కరువు, కాటకాలు, యుద్ధాలు. Third one, every day, every home it will touches and ruins the health of the individual. Those are the diseases. So that's why God has created a powerful weapon with the name of doctors to conquer the diseases and provide health to the nation and growth of the nation. So అందుకనే ఆరోగ్యము మరియు వైద్యులు సమాజానికి ఎసెన్షియల్. ఆరోగ్యము వైద్యం లేకపోతే అది ముందుకు పోలేదు. So you are so fortunate. And the last one, the ethics and morals. The ethics means, the ethics refers to the rules that a social system provides to us. Our students and principals have said, whatever the rules which are framed, it is meant for us to grow. You follow the rules, the timings, the postings, wherever you are there, follow. And the morals are our own principle. We can cheat anybody, but we cannot cheat ourselves. So the morals, ethics, the values, the positive attitude, these are very important. How? The union of remember 3 M's. The union of mind, mouth, muscle. Mind, body and soul. These 3. So finally, we can learn 2 things from children. always they will be happy and always they are busy. So let us practice from the children. The final words, let us work together for a better future. Let us grow together for better future, and let us healthy together to do something for the nation and of the family. రావటం పోవటం కాదు, వచ్చి ఏమైనా ఇచ్చిపోవాలి, మనకు మనం ఇవ్వాలి, మన ఫ్యామిలీకి ఇవ్వాలి, మన సమాజానికి ఇవ్వాలి, తర్వాత పోవటం అనేది తథ్యం. సో ఈ అవకాశం ఇచ్చిన మన సూపరింటెండెంట్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ గారికి అందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు తెలుపుతూ సెలవు తీసుకుంటాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ.